All right, thank you so much, Mashirima, for that interesting story. I'm seeing you already sampling the green gold. Hi, Sawa. So now, of course, if you remember, of course, when we started, we had Kamanu, who is a very talented local artist here in Meru. Thank you so much for joining us. How do you think he read the news as our guest anchor? Should we try give him a job?
No.
Oh, really?
No.
I like your honesty.
No.
Surely, I like your honesty.
No. So, no, because I want to Kamanu.
No. If you go reading news, you will be making us laugh.
Oh, okay, that's true.
No, you are not supposed to laugh, when you are supposed only to watch news, and
not to laugh at the news.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right.
Oh, great.
Kamanu, it's nice to see you.
Okay.
Asante sana pia.
Yeah, I've heard so much about you.
I hope they're good things.
Well, yeah, they're good things.
Never drinks or smokes. No mental problem.
No mental problem. So talk to us about your music for people who are seeing you for the first time.
I am an Afro benga musician. 80%. A small percent I love country music.
All right.
And I play it for fun.
Evidently.
Yeah, you can tell the box guitar. Yeah. Ends of the box guitar.
Okay.
So basically Afro music, Afro benga, sorry. I really like the African beat, and I'm always thinking of how to blend it into something that will one day kaboom into something really huge.
What does something really huge mean? Have you been able to penetrate the national level? Are you looking at the international level?
Well, I'm looking at both, because for me it's a journey. So I'm enjoying every step of the way.
Right.
Like the journey took me here, so it's really cool to be here, hanging out with you.
Oh, thank you.
And this rascal.
And this guy.
Yeah.
All right.
What's the meaning of rascal?
Rascal ni mtoto mtukutu.
Kama wewe.
Kama wewe.
Mimi ni mtukutu kweli yake.
Wewe ni mtukutu?
No. What has made you say so? Why?
Our previous conversation.
Yeah. Okay. So it's a journey.
Yeah,
so
it's a journey.
Eventually you, but it depends. So if you've got a small target, ukifika mahali utasema nimefika.
Umefika.
But if it's that if you make the world sing to what you sat down and really wrote and worked on.
So how do you make that happen? Because you sing in Meru, probably 80% of the time.
Yeah.
How do you make, somebody from a different region, in the country enjoy your music?
That will not be difficult. Because, you see, it's about the energy you put into the song.
Yeah.
It's about the vibration that you put into the song. It appeals to the other person. How do you tell your story? Like you'll find everybody dancing, oh, Toddy.
Yeah, exactly.
You don't know even what it's all about. But there's that vibration that he put into the song that you receive it and you're like,
nice. That's a nice song.
That's how music should be done.
Okay.
That's how music should be done,
All right.
That kind of thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we want to listen to, a song. And I've seen so many people, ask for you to sing Kathambi.
Oh, come on.
So what is that all about?
It's another girlfriend.
Oh, how many girlfriends do you have? Jeez.
Let's see. There's Katambi. There is.
Those are real people, or
those are real people. They're in the song, so they're real.
Okay. So you have them currently at the same time, or what is that all about?
Well, I have them here because they exist in my imagination.
Okay, there we go. That's a safe answer. All right.
There's this ballad. Okay,
Yeah.
we do Kathambi or Susanna. What do you think? What do you think? Susanna or Kathambi? Okay, shut up.
Whichever you like, the best one.
Let's see what you got. You can sing along. Ooh, Susanna ga kwankoro ya kwa irena kieva. Just that.
Replace the Susanna with Betty. Sorry,
Okay.
yeah. You're on Betty's set now, so.
Santa Maria. Didn't see that coming. So, ooh, let's get the key. Ooh, Betty ga kwankoro ya kwa irena kieva. Mware simati, mware madeku, mware beautiful na mokiri, ate na manto, kanarorira, na nkoro yawe jaya mwana mami. Betty Gakwa.